That's 2,000?
Won't go over.
It's staying at 1,000?
Yeah.
Okay.
The G50 set at 1,400. Well, tuner parameter. We had a guy come in and set safeties on everything.
Okay.
So,
Is that rapid?
yeah.
Yeah, okay, cool.
That's one class.
Okay.